Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Just finished getting off my treadmill, being online with my students, and I just made up 3 salads. One for tonight that I'm taking to my mom's for myself and my brother. One for lunch today, and then I made enough for Thursday and Friday because today's Wednesday, depending on when you're watching this. So I need a salad dressing. And I like to experiment, so let's experiment together. So what I have here is some red onion. I have my Cuisinart, and I'm just going to throw in a big chunk of red onion. I like lots of flavor, so I like onion in my dressings. Not all my dressings, but some. I have about 3 cloves of some peeled garlic minced, and I'm just adding that. And I'm going to add a pinch of some salt that I already just measured out, just a little bit. You can always taste. That's what I always say, taste and see. I'm going to put in some old-fashioned Dijon mustard, about, let's try 1, 2, well, not quite 2. I never really measure. I eyeball 2. And let's see if I can get 3 tablespoons or so of some mustard. Okay, there we go. And you can use regular mustard, well, regular Dijon mustard. This is just old-fashioned, and I'm going to put in some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons worth. 1, 2, like I said, I eyeball things, and some balsamic vinegar that I have. You can use flavored balsamic if you like. And I'm going to put in about 1, 2, 3, maybe a 1/3 cup or so. And I was thinking of just adding like a pinch of some lime juice. Why not? And I have my Lakanto monk sugar, and I'm going to put in a tablespoon. And we'll see, we're going to mix this up and see how it tastes. And that's what I do. This is how I experiment in my kitchen. And I'm doing this with one hand. So I'm just going to pulse it. And you see in seconds, you can get a nice dressing. Sometimes I use my Ninja over there. I have my Ninja. And I use that, or like if I'm making a small amount. I'm just making a lot. And then I found this really cute jar at the dollar store, actually, to put my dressings in. So you can find something. So I just like to brown that up really well, just for a couple of minutes. Hopefully you can hear me. And it's turning a nice like red color. So I'll just keep mixing that for a minute or so. And I like to make lots of salads, and I like to add different things in my salads. I'm just going to turn that down. And as you can see, I have lots of veggies and fruits. I don't usually put in a lot of fruit, like because it's for the next few days, but for the same day. Otherwise, apples, pears, those kind of fruits turn brown. And I put in some olives today, some blueberries, some apple, cucumber, peppers, you can see, some shredded carrots, and I used some arugula today as well, and romaine lettuce. So I like making nice big salads. You can see this is for today. And I even like to add some lemon juice too, even when I make my own dressings. So let's check this out. Looks interesting. And let's see. Hi, it's me again. It's not bad. I would add a little bit more olive oil, just a drop more olive oil, I think, because I need to thin it out a little bit more. And I'm going to add a little bit more balsamic. The whole key about making dressings is tasting. All right. So sometimes I make things and I don't like it. I think, okay, maybe that's enough. But then when you taste it, you'll see that you need more. And I definitely want to add a little bit more Lakanto monk sugar because I like mine a bit sweeter. You might like yours a little bit, more savory tasting, and you might want to add a little pepper. In fact, I think that's a great idea. I'm going to grab some pepper and add a little pepper. So remember, all my ingredients and directions are under each video, but again, our taste buds are definitely different. So I'm going to put this on again and just pulse it. Let's see. Let's just pulse it some more. And you might not want to add onion. You don't have to. You can use, I have Vidalia onion, or you can use some green onion. But if you don't want onion in it, and you don't want such a funky consistency, let's try it now. Oh, did I add pepper? I think I did. Let's try. Perfect. I really like it. So this was just a really simple, fast, easy way to make a balsamic Dijon dressing. So using balsamic vinegar, there's different flavored ones. There's flavored olive oils. I just used regular olive oil, some Lakanto monk sugar. You want to use honey or agave, you can do that as well. Or some syrup is really great, depending on if you're watching your sugar intake, okay? Fresh garlic minced. I like fresh garlic. If you don't have fresh garlic, use garlic powder, all right? You can add other herbs to it as well, okay? Oregano and basil if you'd like. Change things up, which is really key. So a little bit of salt to bring out the flavor, some pepper, and if you want to use an old-fashioned Dijon mustard like I did, or you can just use regular mustard. And if you don't want to use balsamic vinegar, you can use lemon juice. I put a little bit of lime juice in it. You can use white wine vinegar, rice vinegar. It's endless, all the different possibilities. And sometimes I even use different syrups, okay? So I have a whole load of different flavored syrups that I like to use too. Sometimes I might add some blueberry syrup or raspberry syrup or strawberry syrup. So again, change it up and then find a cute little jar to put it in, and then you'll have extra in your fridge. I would keep it for about 5-6 days, maybe, depends. You'll taste it and see, but you can make a big amount, a smaller amount. It's up to you, okay? My recipes are versatile. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, share, tell other people about my channel. I have lots of other salad dressing recipes and salads and all kinds of recipes for breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner. And now I'm gonna go make my shrimp dish. Check out that one. It's a breaded shrimp, which is super easy, delicious, and healthy. High protein, which is what we want. All right. Take care. Don't forget to comment and share my channel. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye for now.